How to host NextJS website on your Hostinger. So if you want to go ahead and do this, it's usually easiest through Hostinger's managed Node.js web app hosting or web apps hosting, which will support NextJS deployments on business and cloud plans. So you gotta first make sure your apps does run locally so that you could use business web or cloud hosting for a normal NextJS app. So what you're gonna have to do again is go ahead to your website in your Hostinger, go to the website list, press on add website, and then go to node.js web app. It's a little blurry, but you should be able to see how that is. And then once you press on that, what you're gonna have to do now is to choose import Git repository and then upload your website files if you'd like, but whichever works for you. From there, you're gonna have to configure the build settings for your Next.js app, including the required entry or output values. So once you're finished with the details here, you're just gonna go ahead and press on deploy. And then from there, you will be able to put in these basic user information. You can save that, but if your Next.js site is fully static, you're gonna have to choose that you can also host it as a static front end on agency hosting. But that is the general idea on how you can do this. Once this is done, you can find it directly in your Hostinger. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.